Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al Furqanul Hakim Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10. Exercise of movement, standing fatha, kasra, doma and madolin or tanween. So this lesson is a very important instructions. If there is a hamza after madda will be any of the four kinds. Number one, if hamza is in the same word, madda will be called madda muttasil. This is the long mad after mad. Okay, the letter hamza is appear in the same word, so this is the mad muttasil. Number two, if hamza is in the beginning of the next word, madda will be called mad munfasil. Inna anzalna. Okay, this is madde munfasil here because after short mad the letter hamza is appear in the next word, so this is the madde munfasil. Number three, if there is a sukoon silent after a mad or lean letter, the word will be prolonged like mad and is called mad lazim. Number four, if sukoon is due to a waqf stop, mad is called mad aris, casual. Okay, all these mads are prolonged from 3 to 5 seconds. Read with me. Mana, wa. You will skip this ya because it is empty letter. Ya is empty and we won't read this ya. Aniyatin ilafi aina. This is the lean letter. Bihi jaa madde muttasil. Ji-a madde muttasil. Ju'in waw madda. Khawfin wawlin. Khayrun yalin. Dawudu. Okay, standing dhamma, standing fatha here. Dhalika, standing fatha. Radu, this is a heavy letter ra and do, and this is the waw madda also. Sha'a, this is madde muttasil here. Maliki, standing fatha. Shay'in, ya madda. Tagha, both heavy letters. Tagha, vowlin. Tayran, yalin. Adin, alif madda. Ala, standing fatha. Ainun, yalin. Fihi, ya madda. Qala, alif madda. Qawlun, vowlin. Kana, alif madda. Kaidan, yalin. Kaifa, yalin. Lawhin, vowlin. Laysa, yalin. Malan, alif madda. Naran, alif madda. Ma'in, madde muttasil. Wailun, yalin. Yawmin, vowlin. Yarahu, heavy letter ra due to zabar. Standing dhamma. Hasidin alif madda. Hafidhun alif madda, and this is double pesh, and this is a Uddumatan, we call it. Dafiqin, this is alif madda. Shahidin alif madda. Abidun alif madda. Ilan madde muttasil. Ghasiqin alif madda. Nasirin, Sirin heavy letter. Ghain is also heavy letter. Qaf is also heavy letters. Walidin alif madda. A'udhu, A'udhu waw madda. Akidu ya madda. Yakhafu alif madda. Yadahu standing fatha. Yuqalu alif madda. Turaban ra with standing fatha. Hisaban alif madda. Subatan alif madda. Sirajan alif madda. Salamun, lam has standing fatha. Shidadan alif madda. Sharaban alif madda. Sawaban alif madda. Ta'amin alif madda. Azabun alif madda. Ata'an. Okay, this is a madde muttasil here with the heavy letter ta. Ghufaan madde muttasil. Kitaban, ta has standing fatha. Kiraman alif madda. Libasan alif madda. Lisanan alif madda. Ma'aban, hamza has standing fatha. Mata'an alif madda. Muta'in, Muta'in. Okay, this is alif madda. Ma'ashan alif madda. Mafazan alif madda. Mihadan, ha has standing fatha. Nabatan alif madda. Wifaqan alif madda. Thuburan waw madda. Rasulin waw madda. Shuhudun waw madda. Qu'udun waw madda. Wujuhun waw madda. Athimin ya madda. Alimin ya madda. Basiran ya madda. Khabiran ya madda. Rahiqin ya madda. Shahidun ya madda. عظيم يا مدى. قريبا يا مدى. كريم يا مدى. يا مدى. محيط يا مدى. نعيم يا مدى. يتيما يا مدى. يسيرا يا مدى. رويدا يالين. قريش يالين. عيشة يا مدى. الموءودة, this is a vowel with a standing dhamma. Hamza has a standing dhamma over there. Mawdu'atun, this is a waw madda here. Mawazinuhu with ya madda with standing dhamma. Yawma idhin, this is vowel. MashaAllah, if you like this video, please share it as much as you can on different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.